Now we are working on a question which is based upon the constructing the binary tree from the arithmetic expression. So question is given where E is denoting the following arithmetic expression. We know that arithmetic expression is like a in order where we are having the node or maybe the operator in between left and right. So it is like a in order expression. So here E is the arithmetic expression or the in order expression which is given to us. Now on the basis of that they are asking few questions. The first question they are asking that we have to construct the binary tree T of E. So the first question we have to solve that we are going to construct the binary tree from this E. E is the arithmetic expression. So to solve this, first of all I am taking this expression. Now we are having this expression with us. Now to construct the binary tree, we should know one thing that there is a parent node, left child and the right child. Means three things are there. Now that means this expression should be divided into three parts. So here we have to find out those three parts. And here with the help of bracket we can see that this is the one part, start is the second part, and this one is the third part. So talking about that, this will become the left child, this will become the node. Node means the parent, and this will become the right child. So with the help of that, first of all, we are starting constructing the binary tree. So now we have constructed the three nodes. Here we know that star is the exact place. So star we are putting as the parent. Now on the left hand side we know that on this tree on the left hand side we are having which is A plus bracket B minus C bracket and bracket close. So this is the left child, and talking about the right child, so on the right child we are having D minus E, then again slash F plus G minus H. So this is how it is going to be left and the right child. Now we are focusing on the left child here. So this child we are now focusing on, which is the left child. So talking about the left child, I am writing here, which is in bracket A plus B minus C, then afterward again bracket close. Now these brackets are not required, so I am removing them. So here we are having this expression. Now as per constructing the binary tree, we know that we should divide into three parts. So here this is the first part, second part, and in the bracket it is considered as the third part. So this is left, this is node which is the parent, and this one is the right. So now we are going to construct the binary tree with this expression, which is the left tree actually. So there we are having the two nodes. First of all, we are taking the plus. The plus is the parent. Now on the left hand side, we are having a single child, which is A. So A I am putting inside because there is no further expansion. On the right hand side, we are having which is into the bracket, that is B minus C. Now this B minus C has to be resolved further. So I am working on this B minus C first. So here we are taking on the right hand side which is B minus C. So I am writing here which is B minus C. Now out of this B minus C, the brackets are not required. Again, this expression should be divided into three parts because we know the property of binary tree. Now here 1, 2 and 3 parts are there. One is left, one is the node which is parent, and one is the right. So based upon left node and right, we are going to expand it. So two further nodes are expanded here. Now here in the parent node we know that it is minus. On the left hand side we are having B, on the right hand side we are having C. So the left side tree is properly constructed. Now it is the time to construct the right side tree. So now we are going to work on the right side expression, which is D minus E divide F plus G minus H. So this expression we are going to write here. So here in the bracket we are writing again bracket d minus c, then divide again bracket f plus g minus h. So there the main brackets are not required. Now we have to divide this expression into three parts, because we know that here the binary tree property will be followed, where we are having one part, two part and three part. So one will be left, then node, then another will be right. So now here two more nodes are added, and one is the parent node. On the parent node we are having the parent, which is n. So here we are adding the divide sign. Afterward on the left hand side we are having, which is d minus e. So on the left hand side in the bracket we are having d minus e into left child, and talking about the right child, here we are having f plus g minus h. So that is added over here. So these are the left and right child. Now we have to solve this. First of all, we are solving the left child. So now we are working on the left hand side, where it is d minus e. So we are taking here in the bracket, it is d minus e. Now brackets are not required. We have to divide it into three parts. So they're talking about the one part, which is D, second and third. So three parts are there. Left node is the parent, then the right. So three parts are there. Now we are constructing two more nodes here. So now two more nodes are added. Now node n is the parent, which is minus. So we are adding here, which is minus. The left hand side we are having the D. So D is the left child, then the right child is E. So this is how this is also covered. Now we are having remaining with the right subtree. So now talking about the right subtree, which is f plus g minus h. So that is we are going to solve here. So we are writing here into the bracket, which is f plus g minus h. So here brackets are not required. So now here we have to divide this into three parts. It is very confusing now, because there are elements which are not into the bracket. Now where to give the priority? There are two options. We can give it like this. That means we can put like f plus g into a bracket, then minus h. Here minus will be the parent. Or we can go in another direction, like if we say f plus and put this inside the bracket g minus h. Here plus will be the parent. So now both the ways tree will be constructed into different way. So which one is the correct? Now to find out this, we should understand that we should go from right to left side. Now we should go from right hand side to the left hand side, and whichever the operator is coming first, that will be the parent. That means if we talk about here, we are going from the right. Now h minus, so their minus will be the parent. That means we are assuming that this whole part is assumed like a bracket. That means this is the whole left part, and there we are having the right side. So this is how we can construct the tree. Whenever there are multiple operators given and brackets is not given, we should go from right to left and giving the right operator as the priority. So here we are having three parts now. We are having the first part, then talking about the second part and the third part. So three parts are available. This one is the left, then node is the parent, and then we are having the right. So this is how we can construct two more nodes here. So now we have added the two nodes here, and in the node we are having the minus. So minus is the parent. Then afterward on the right hand side we are having only single h, so h is placed. On the right hand side we have placed the h, but on the left hand side there is the expression. So here on the left hand side we are having the expression, which is f plus g into the bracket. So that is what we have taken. Now this is the time to solve the last expression. So we are going to solve this f plus g. So we are writing here f plus g into the bracket. Bracket is not required. We are dividing this expression into three parts, 1, 2 and 3, and we know that one is the left, then node, then right. So these are the three parts. Now based on that we are now going to construct the tree. So now here we are having the node which is the parent, that is plus. Now afterward the left hand side we are having f, and on the right hand side we are having g. So this is how we have constructed the tree. So our first part is solved, that we are able to construct the tree. So this first part is over, that the tree is constructed. So this is our first part where we have constructed the tree successfully, and now we are going to discuss the second part of this question, that calculate the pre-order traversal of the tree. Pre-order, we know that whenever the parent is coming before the left and right, this is called the pre-order. So now we are going to construct the pre-order. So now we are solving this tree for the pre-order, and we know that in the pre-order here the node means the parent comes before, then afterward the left and the right child comes. So that is what we are going to solve here, pre-order expression. So now first of all we are starting from the top, and from the top we are having these nodes, and we know that this is the node, one is the left and the right. So node left right, that means we are having the star, then afterward plus and the slash. So these are the things. Going to the left hand side, so the left hand side we are having this subtree. Here we are having this one is the node left right. So talking about the node left right plus a minus, plus is already there, then afterward a and minus are added. Going on the right hand side, so on the right hand side we go on the subtree. So here we are having this one is the node, then left and the right. So slash minus minus, slash is already there, then afterward minus minus, two things are added. Now going afterward, here we are taking the again left subtree. So this is the node, then left and right. So node left right, so minus BC. So we have to be careful which minus we are talking about. This minus we are talking about, and there we are having afterward which is B and C. So B and C are added afterward. Then again afterward we are going on the tree. So this is again a tree subpart. So there we are having node left and right. So here we have to talk about the minus which is here. So minus DE. So DE is coming here, minus DE. Now again we are having one more tree which is available, this one, and in this tree also we are having the node and the left and the right side. So here minus plus an H, so minus plus an H, that is added afterward. Now we are going further to the remaining tree. So this one is a remaining tree, and here we are having the node left and right. So there we are having plus, then afterward F and G. So in the plus we are having F, then G. Now is the time to make all these things into a single line. So now here the pre-order expression we are having is the star. First of all starting with the star, then plus, then afterward A, then we have is the minus, then afterward minus B and C. So B and C are taken, then divide, then again minus, then DE. So DE are added, then afterward it is again the minus, then plus, then further FG. So F and G are added, then the further we are having is h. So this one is the pre-order expression. So here we have solved the second part also, that means the pre-order expression. Now we are going to solve the third part. Now talking about the third part, we have to calculate the post order traversal of t. So here we are going to find out the post order. So talking about the post order, whenever the parent is coming after the left and right, then it is called the post order. So here first of all we will take left, then right, then n is the parent. So we will take the parent afterward. So that is what we have to find out. So we are constructing the post order expression now. So first of all we are taking the top portion of the tree where we know that this is the parent, then left and right. So here post order is, we are having left, right and parent. So left, which is plus, then afterward right we know that, which is slash, and afterward we are having node, which is star. So that is what we have taken. Now talking about the next part. So here we are taking the next subtree. In this we are having the node, which is a parent, then left and right. So here the sequence is left, right, node. That means a minus plus. Plus is already taken. So here we are taking a, then minus and plus. Now we are going on the next subtree. So here is the node, then left and right. So here the left, right node minus minus slash. So here 2 minus will come before the slash. Now talking about the next subtree which we are taking. So in this we are having the node left and right. So left, right node BC minus. Be careful, we are talking about the first minus here. So BC minus. So BC minus. It is coming here. Now talking about the next subtree. Here again we have to find out, which is node left and right. So left, right node DE minus. We are talking about the second minus now. So D, E and minus. Now talking about the next subtree. Again we are having the node here left and right. So left, right node plus H and minus. So plus here H and minus, that is what we have taken. So we are taking the last subtree, which is present, and here we are having the node left and right. So left, right node FG plus. So here we are taking the second plus, which is FG and plus. So that is what the expression is. Now we are going to make into a proper sequence. So talking about the post order expression, we are having A. So starting with A, then BC. BC is written. Then minus plus. So minus plus is taken. Then DE. So D and E are taken. Then afterward we are having is minus. So minus is placed here. Then FG. So F and G is taken. Then plus is taken, then H is taken, minus, then afterward divide and multiply. So divide and multiply. So this is the expression we have taken in the proper way. So this one is the post order expression. So this is how we have solved the third portion also. So here in this question we have learned that how to construct the tree from the arithmetic expression. We know that arithmetic expression is the in order. So from that we have constructed a tree. Then afterward we have calculated the pre-order and the post-order expression. So that is how we can construct the tree from the arithmetic expression.